Ye Hielans and ye Lawlans, oh, where hae ye been? They hae slain the Earl of Moray, and laid him on the green, laid him on the green. He was a braw and gallant, and he played at the bar, and the bonny Earl of Moray was flooer abin the maw, was flooer abin the maw, and he was a braw and gallant, and he read at the ring, and the bonny Earl of Moray, he micht hae been the king, he micht hae been the king, and he was a braw and gallant, and he read at the glove, and the bonny Earl of Moray, he was the Queen's ain love, he was the Queen's ain love, he was the Queen's ain love. Oh, betide the Huntley, and whaurfor did ye say? I bade ye bring him to me, forbade ye him to slay, forbade ye him to slay. Lang may his lady look fae the castle Doune, ere she see the Earl of Moray come soondin through the toon, come soondin through the toon.